Hi there, I am Mohammad Tahsan Ahad. Welcome to British American Language Center. I would like to talk about my daily routine. My daily routine is I get up early in the morning, I clean my teeth, I take my breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I go to my school at 7 a.m. I return my home at 1:30 p.m. and I take my lunch 2 p.m. and sometime later I go to play for an hour. At last I sit for study at 2 hours. At last I take my dinner at 9:30 p.m. and I go to my bed at 10 p.m. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe this channel. Bye bye.